starting with the priming my face, and for that I am taking the Maybelline Fit Me. This is the Dewy Plus Smooth Primer. I'm going to apply this for the smooth canvas for my makeup. And now for a nice and dewy glow, I'm going to apply face and body highlighter from Swiss Beauty, and I'm going to blend this out with a beauty sponge. And this is going to give you an illusion of a very smooth and glow within kind of look. And then for my foundation, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude, and I'm going to blend my foundation in the dabbing motion, plus I'm even going to apply the foundation on my neck area. And now again for my concealer, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this is in the shade 25 Medium, and I'm going to apply this on the highest points of my face and blend it again with the damp beauty sponge. And now to set my foundation, I'm going with Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and this is in the shade 15 Light. And quickly I'm going to set my under eye area and even a little bit on the T-zone, because I don't want this dewiness to go away. Now with a big powder brush, I'm just going to dust it all away. Next for my eyebrows, I'm taking this shade right, and this is the PAC Eyebrow Definer. Now after filling in my brows, I'm going to go with my eye makeup, and for that I'm taking Sugar Cosmetics Blend the Rules palette. So first I'm going to take Cream as my transition shade. And I'm blending this in back and forward motion, and I'm happy with the color payoff, so I'm going to move on to the other shade. And now I'll be taking this shade right here, and I'll be going with this on the outer V and even on the crease. Now with a bigger blending brush, I'm just going to blend the edges out. And I'm going with this coppery shade right here, and this is a very creamy and soft buttery eyeshadow. As you have seen, the previous two shades were also not chalky, and this is very creamy and it glides onto your eyes smoothly. And I'm going for a very much beginners friendly cut crease sort of look in here. As you can see, I did not use any concealer, but applying the eyeshadow as if I am cutting my crease. And as you can see, I have applied it as a semi circle, but ending it till the outer third, and blending this lightly. As I have lost a little bit of intensity, I'm going back with the darker orangish brown shade, and there you can see it's done. As you can see all the fallouts here, you don't have to touch it, just use your brush, and that's it. Now with a pencil brush, I'm going to pick these two shades and go on the lower lash line, and I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line. And take this golden shade from the same palette and apply this on the inner corners as well, and applied it on the eyebrow bone as well. For my kajal, I'm taking the Maybelline Liner Tattoo Crayon Pen, and I'm going to tight line and waterline with this. And now for the wing liner, I'm going with Sugar Cosmetics Arrested for Overstay eyeliner. This is the waterproof eyeliner, and the number is 01 All Be Black. And now for the mascara, I'm taking the Sugar Uptown Curl Mascara. If you wish, you can go for falsies as well. I'm not a big fan of falsies. I always make sure that I'm applying falsies whenever there is a special occasion, makeup makeup or even if I'm going for an event. Other than that, I prefer going with only mascaras, but if you wish, you can definitely go for it. So this is a lengthening mascara and the number is 01 Black Beauty. I'm going to apply this on the upper and even on the bottom lashes. For contouring my face, I'm going with the Sugar Contour de Force palette, contour shade right here. And I'll be going with this on the parameters of my face, underneath my cheekbones, on the temple area, on the jawline and even on the nose. And for my blush, I'm again taking another Contour de Force palette from Sugar and I'm going with this shade right here, 01 Subtle Summit. Next, for my highlighter, I'm taking the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and this is in the shade 050 Rose Gold Molten, and I'm going to apply this on the highest points of my face. And you can clearly see that glow on my face. Isn't this beautiful? And something I absolutely missed, and that was contouring my nose, so I'm going to do that now. And now I'm going to go with my lipstick, and for that I'm taking the Sugar Cosmetics Metallic Lipstick. This is in the shade 10 Diana. So that's it, I'm done right here.